Good morning, thanks for joining us for Local 3 News. I'm Brianna MacLean. Last week I had the chance to stop by a Michigan Tech professor's lab who is turning plastic into protein. Here's more of his story. Plastic into edible protein. It doesn't sound very appetizing. However, Steve Techtman says it's not as crazy as it sounds. Techtman is an associate professor of biological sciences at Michigan Tech. In 2020, he was one of the researchers selected to turn military plastic waste into protein powder and lubricants.
We were trying to figure out a way of taking things that are considered waste, stuff that we would throw away, and turn it into something that's valuable. And plastic is one of these wastes that we use all the time. It gets recycled sometimes, but a lot of that ends up in a landfill. And so what we were trying to do is to see whether or not we could use bacteria to help us to convert that plastic into something valuable. And bacterial cells are about half protein, so they have all of the nutrients that we really need in order to be used as a food.
So how does turning plastic into protein work exactly?
These are a lot of the bacterial cultures that are growing using those broken down pieces of plastic. And what I think is really cool about this is that a lot of these are organisms that came from natural places. And many of these are coming from compost from a farm in Calumet here in the Keweenaw. And yet these natural organisms that are present all over the place have the ability to break down these pieces of plastic.
Techtman says it'll be a few years before the edible protein will be used for situations such as emergency and disaster relief. Now for a check on your forecast with meteorologist Tom Kippen.
Thanks a lot. If you're on the go this Tuesday and you need weather information, download our free WJMN Local 3 app. Also online at upmatters.com, and that's where you can find current weather information. And also, we do have an interactive radar at the bottom of the weather page. If social media is your thing, we're there as well. WJMN TV. And while you're on Facebook, check out our 906 Weather Watchers page. Search it, check it out, and feel free to join as well.